What do these cleaning companies have in common? What's their secret sauce for efficiency, cost savings, and growth? It's WinTeam. Team Software's industry-specific ERP is made especially for North American cleaning contractors with distributed workforces. With your financial, operations, and workforce management components together in one software system, you gain efficiency and insight. That means simpler, automated business processes, effective cost control, timely information, and detailed job costing. Advanced accounting tools help you create budgets, manage cash flow, and produce powerful financial statements. With WinTeam's job-centric approach, you can budget labor, materials, and other direct costs to the job or site level. Workforce management and operations features enable you to schedule work and better align key resources, as well as manage billable work, track tasks, and perform building inspections. WinTeam also supports other back-office functions like human resources, benefits, and payroll. Use time and attendance technology to better manage labor costs, reduce errors, and save time on payroll and billing. And self-service tools give your cleaners 24/7 access to the information they need to complete their jobs and meet compliance requirements. WinTeam also has more than 100 standard reports with detailed business information. Use add-on dashboard and business intelligence tools to get even more out of your data. Plus, connect to other third-party tools through our network of API partners. Team Software has helped hundreds of North American cleaning contractors manage their businesses better, scale operations, and grow. That's the reason Team has been a leading provider of solutions for cleaning contractors for over 30 years, and counting.